What's up guys, GogoTech back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you a disassembly and reassembly of the Galaxy S4 Mini. So let's get right into it.
É única, eu é o que me faz sentir prazer, é o que me faz enlouquecer.
Okay, this S4 Mini has some damage in its display, aka LCD is dead. So we're gonna show you how the easy steps to disassemble and reassemble the phone to change the LCD or anything you want. We started by removing the back cover, battery, then all the screws. The tools that you're gonna need is a Phillips head screwdriver, a spudger of some kind, a soft guitar pick, and optional an opening tool. You don't need the opening tool at all. We started out by removing all the screws. Be sure to get a magnet to stick on this Phillips head screwdriver. Makes your life a lot more easier by letting all the screws stick together to the magnet and not falling out all the way. Now get yourself a soft guitar pick and push it in the sides of the phone, so between the mid frame and the LCD frame, as shown in the video. Soft guitar pick is recommended so that you can't scratch, or nearly can't scratch, the frame. Now remove the mid case, and now unclip all those Lego connectors. Hey Zach, I see you there. Lego connectors. Now lift the motherboard out with a soft guitar pick or anything, just to wiggle it around a little bit. Now remove the headphone jack. Be sure to you can use any tools, but be careful, those ribbon cables are very fragile. Now get yourself a flathead screwdriver and pop this protective metal case that is on the camera and sensor. Now get out the camera, earphone and sensors, vibrating motor, charging board, replacement parts are down below in the description. Now this cable goes under the glass and the LCD. This cable is used for the back and menu button and home button. It will come with a replacement LCD. Now pop off the plastic cap, and as shown, very careful with a flathead screwdriver. Be careful, this piece is very fragile and very thin plastic, so be careful. All the links will be down below in the description. They are affiliate links, so you won't pay any extra dime or any extra dollar for it. It will just help the channel a lot by growing. So be sure, if you want any parts, there will be link down below in the video description, and you will help the channel a lot by buying those parts. Those are Amazon affiliate links. I hope you like this video, and be sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this one. Give this video a big like, and comment down below if you have any concerns or any comments. Comment it down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Now watch the reassembly of the Galaxy S4 Mini in case you missed any part of it.